Hello, how are you doing? My name is Professor RSK and I will be your facilitator. Don't forget to keep safe by washing your hands with soap and under running water. Wear your nose masks and practice social distancing. Do well to write all your questions in the comments section. And also note that your comments are welcome. Join me in class for today's lesson. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. You can also join us on all social media platforms by clicking on the link below. You can also read more lessons on our website www.profrsk.com. Thank you.
Hello, welcome once again to the world of science with Prof. RSK. Today's lesson, we'll be looking at reptiles. In our previous lesson, we classified animals under mammals. We said mammals usually give breast milk to their young ones. They do not lay eggs, they give birth. Most mammals have 4 legs, except humans that have 2. Today, we are going to classify animals under reptiles. We'll look at how reptiles also behave. Without wasting much time, let's get on. Now, reptiles are animals that have their bodies covered with dry scales. Their bodies are covered with dry scales. These scales give reptiles extra protection and it prevents them from injury. We call it mechanical injury. So reptiles protect animals from mechanical injuries. In addition, reptiles lay eggs. Reptiles lay eggs. They do not give birth. They lay eggs in the soil and they hatch. Good. Most reptiles are also able to walk. They have legs for walking. But it is also very important to establish that, or to say that, snake is a reptile that do not have any leg. So snake is an exception in the world of reptiles. Most reptiles have 4 legs. When we look at the examples, we'll get it clearer. But a snake is a reptile without any leg. We will also be looking at movement in animals. You will get to know how a snake moves. A horse gallops. We will get to understand all these movements and then we will move on from there. Today, we are also going to talk about examples of reptiles. We have the lizard, we have the tortoise, we have the chameleon, and then we have the crocodile. These are examples of reptiles. Not forgetting our best friend, snake. The snake is also a reptile, but the snake has a unique identity of not having any leg. The next time I meet you, don't forget to ask me how and why did the snake lose all its legs. I'll be glad to tell you more about it. Thank you very much for joining us for today's lesson. I'll see you in the next one.
Thank you very much for joining us for today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Kindly subscribe to our channel and help it grow. Read more on our website www.profrsk.com and search for Prof RSK on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, and Telegram. Join us again for another lesson. Bye bye.